Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a Porsche 991.2 Carrera S. This is so easy, even a kid can do it. Here's a list of everything we're going to need. 9 1/2 quarts of oil, funnel, oil drain plug, oil filter, O-ring, torque and ratchet wrench, 36 millimeter hex nut socket, trim tool, stubby flathead screwdriver, gloves, ramps, oil drain pan. First thing we need to do is warm up the oil by taking the car out for a drive. Next, we want to release the engine cover latch. First, remove this plastic rectangular piece. Now we can remove the plastic engine cover. Next, we're going to disconnect and remove the fans from both sides. First, shove the trim tool under this, slowly pull it like this, and then disconnect it. Now twist off this plastic piece to remove the cable. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Now we're going to carefully remove this part. Before we start draining the oil, we have to to loosen the oil filter cover. Also, we have to loosen the oil fill cap. First, we loosen the oil filter cover. Next, we loosen the oil fill cover. Now remove this drain plug with a stubby flat screwdriver. Now the oil drains out. Now we want to let it drain for about an hour. While the oil's draining, we're going to finish removing the oil filter. There's the dirty oil filter. Now remove the old O-ring. Now we're going to put a little new motor oil on the O-ring and slip it over the cap. Now we're going to press the new oil filter into position. Now thread the oil filter cap carefully back into place. Be careful not to cross thread. Now tighten this down to 18.5 foot-pounds. Now that the oil is finished draining, we're going to install the new drain plug. Good, nice and snug. Now we're going to put everything back together in the reverse order. Now the fun part. Now we're going to add 9 quarts of oil to the engine. We're going to save this last quart in case we have to add a little more oil. Now let's take the car out for a drive. Now let's get the oil up to temperature. After driving a couple miles, I can see that the oil level is correct. This oil change was so easy, even a kid could do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.